Hello, in this Zoho Marketing Hub tutorial we're going to be covering integrating integrating Shopify websites with Zoho Marketing Hub, in the sense that when we send an email through Marketing Hub, we want to know where the contact, prospect, and or lead clicked, but also what they're interested in. And we do that. I have a test Shopify site here, and you can see, you're going to look down here in this far left right here. When we click on rare coins, when I see this US coins, if you look down in the bottom left, again right around in here, when I hover over US coins, it says collection/US coins. This next one's world coins, so it's collection/world coins. Ancients is collection/ancients. And so you can see when we go in here, any URL that we click on, say we click on this one here, you can see the URL actually has collection/US coins. And so what I'm getting at is, here in our Shopify website, if our URL structures are based on collections, then we know where our users are clicking, right? And so let me just jump right in here. It'll probably make more sense after we set this up. So here in Zoho Marketing Hub, we're going to set up products, leads, products. We're going to set up a new product called US coins. So we're going to do add product. Call this US coins. US coins. So URL. So we've just added a product to our Zoho Marketing Hub. And so what we're going to do now is we are going to tell Marketing Hub that whenever somebody visits a page that has, US coin, has collection/US coins, we want to add them to the Zoho Marketing Hub product US coins, so we can target them in the future. And so if you click here under products, under lead generation, choose web assistant groups. And so now we are going to create these web assistant groups that, again, when people visit our products, they will get added to the group. So we have other products for ancients, currencies, patterns. So when somebody visits ancients, they're going to be added to the product group ancients. So let's come here and we're going to associate groups, and we are going to, actually we need to create a new group first. So let's go to web assistant, pages, groups. And so we're going to create new group. So we create new group. We're going to call this one, and we're going to say group based on criteria. And what's that criteria going to be? It's going to be pages that contain /collection/. So every time we send an email to, when we send an email to someone, if they click on that anywhere, if they click on a link that takes them to our Shopify website, if they then go to a URL that has collection/US coins in the URL, we are going to add them to the US coins product group. So we just did that there. And so if we come back in here to products, let's go to our US coins product, and under lead generation, This is where we want to choose web assistant groups. Associate it. Select the group. We're going to select our US coins group. And here, if you check this little box, add pages, known visitors as leads to a level. And lead level, these are basically kind of your buyer stages. You know, there's an awareness, a consideration, and a decision. So we're just going to put them in the awareness level. And so now here we have our product, US coins. Okay, the next thing we want to do is, now that we can identify Shopify website visitors based on the URLs that they visit, they'll be tossed into these groups. Now we want to create email lists, and we want to create marketing tags so that not only do they get tossed to the Shopify website visitors, get associated with our Zoho Marketing Hub products, but we also want to put them into an email list called US Coins and tag them with a marketing tag for US Coins, so that we can, target these people in the future, and we can set up a synchronization between Zoho Marketing Hub and Zoho CRM, so that this information is pushed over to Zoho CRM, and we know what their product interests are. So let's jump in here. Let's go ahead and create a list. So we'll do leads, manage lists, and create a list. We're going to call this coins. And we are using topics within this install, so let me actually create a topic, and I'll create a list while I create this topic. So we'll do cancel, we'll do manage topics, configure topics, come down here and choose add a brand topic. We're going to say this is US coins. Mailing list. This is where we're going to create our mailing list. We're going to call this primary list, US coins. And so we've just created a topic, and we created a mailing list called US Coins. So save. Save and exit. And so now when we come in here under leads, manage lists, here's our US coin email list. And so now let's go back into products. Let's go back in here to US coins. And we're going to create two workflows. Come here, click workflows. I'm sorry, we're going to create one workflow to do two different things. Create workflow. And we're going to say whenever somebody is identified, whenever anyone is associated with the US coins product, we are going to perform this workflow. So it's US coins So we're going to add them to the coin email list and tag them with US coins. So let's see here. All right, so we have this named. We're going to go products, US coins. And this third one here is going to say, what do we want to do with it? We're going to add them, meets the following condition. We're going to say that they're interested in US coins and they are a lead, because you can do leads and contacts, and so we're just going to choose leads here. Product US coin is lead, and we're going to perform the following actions. We're going to say add lead to a list. That list is going to be US coins. Add another action, and we're going to say assign tags, and we've already created a US coins tags, but you could create a tag using this button there, US coins. Okay, and as it relates to products, you can see update product audience and field levels. And so they're already going to be, if we want to update US coins lead level, remember how I told you that we can set up buyer stages? So it'd be kind of awareness, consideration, and decision. This is where we can, set up, change basically the product lead level, which we're not going to want to do here. So take that out, and let's do. So we add it to US coins. We're tagging it with US coins. Activate now. And so we now have a workflow that when someone visits our website and it has collection, they visit a URL that has collection/US coins, we are going to add them to our Zoho Marketing Hub products US coin, and we created a workflow just now. It's going to add them to our US coins list and our US coins tags. Right. Okay, so let's go through this a few more times on some other products just so you grasp this concept. So we're here under products. Let's go view all products. Now we've already set up the US coins. Let's come down here to world coins. If we look here at our website here, rare coins, US coins, you can see down here in the bottom left, again it's right down in here, you can see how the URL changes. Collection/US coins, collection/world coins. So what we want to do now, we want to set up a product for world coins and have it so that when we send someone an email and they click on that email, that takes them to our website. If and when they click on any URL or this menu and it takes them to a URL that has collection/world coins in it, then they are going to get they're going to get associated with the product world coins in the Zoho Marketing Hub. So if we come here, we already have world coins, and we can see web assistance groups. So we're associated with the world coins web assistance group, and we can see what that consists of by clicking web assist, websites, click on your website pages, and then here under all groups we're going to see world coins, and choose this edit, and you can see right here any pages that contain collection/world coins. So when somebody visits that, they're going to get added to this web group, and we have it configured so that when someone gets added to this web group, it then associates the product. View all products, world coins. This is the group. So when someone comes to our Shopify store and has world coins in the URL, they get added here. And click here on workflows, and this is the workflow that we created. And we're basically saying whenever someone gets added to the product world coins, go ahead and add them to their list world coins, and go ahead and assign tag world coins. And so this way we can come here, look at our lead tags, and we can see how many people are a member of these. If we go in there, we could actually see them. But we're going to be using these lead tags and email lists for marketing automations in the future. So let's come back here. If we do rare coins, ancients, we hover above ancients, you can see in the bottom left collection/ancients. So this is again another different product category. So if we come here and we go to leads, products, show all, and we've already created these. We created one called ancients. Lead generation, web assistant groups. So it's with the ancients web assistants group. So ancients lead level awareness. So again, if we come in web assistant, websites, go into the website, go into pages, and come here and we do ancients, edit, you can see pages contain collection/ancients. So when someone comes to a page that contains collection/ancients, they are going to get put into our ancients product. They're going to get associated with it, and then these workflows are also going to run. Come in here, ancient email list, ancient tags. So we've set up this workflow. So when a lead is present in the product ancients, meet the following condition, product is ancients, they get added to the list ancients and assigned to lead tag ancients. And so what's the next one here? So here, if we come under currency, so if you look in the bottom left again, down in here, we go in the menu item, currency. So we have collection/currency. And so again, we come into Marketing Hub products. We already have our currency created, but you can create a new one. Come into our currency, and we're going to see what web assistant groups this currency is associated with. And it is the currency web assistant group. And so let's verify that web assistant websites. Go into your website, click on pages, come in here and choose ancients. If we do edit here, we can see pages contain collection/ancients. And so let's come in here to leads, products, view all products, come down here to ancients, and we've set up a workflow. Ancients email list and ancients tag. Click on that, and we're just doing the same thing for all of our products. Add them to the list ancients, assign them to the lead, assign tags to the lead ancients. So we're getting both of those done. Alright, and so now that we have Shopify site visitors associated with our Zoho Marketing Hub products, this we can then jump into journeys here. Create journey, create a new journey. I'm just going to choose blank journey. We're going to say US coins, create. And so you could say on list entry, select list, we're going to select US coins, done. Send email. So basically now we have it. When somebody browses our website and they select any of our group, any of our products here, we will know about that in Zoho Marketing Hub. We will associate them with a product. We'll assign them to a list, assign them a tag, and this is where we can create a new journey here so that when they're assigned to this list, it goes through this sequence. And we might have something like, maybe we want to educate them about US coins. Maybe we do a 4 email series. You know, how did US coins get started? What are some of the most expensive ones? So if you want to do just an email and then do another email, the idea here is you can use Journey Builder. Since we put them into the list, we can use Journey Builder to target, to send them email, to put them into email journeys to take some actions. Another thing we could do here is, instead of on list entry, we could actually do on tag assigned. So if you're not creating lists and you only want to do tags, we could choose select tags, US coins, done, and now this is assigning tag US coins. So basically, when somebody's interested, when somebody clicks on our products, they then get into this email journey here. And so that's basically what this tutorial is. Products, we have all of our products. In our Shopify store, we have collections, and here's the rare coins. You can see again in the bottom of collection / gold, collection / silver. So when someone visits these web pages here, again, this is the silver one. In Zoho Marketing Hub, silver. If we sent someone an email and they clicked on, say, a link to the home page, as soon as they come here and clicked on silver, we have set that cookie using the Zoho Marketing Hub, so we know that they clicked on silver, and then that's going to add them to our product silver. We then add them to our silver email list and silver tag, which we can then create email journeys that are silver leads. Our silver product based leads can get dumped into this email journey, and those of you who played around with the canvas know that we can get quite creative here. Now, one thing you could do is we could create a group, a web assistant group, so that when somebody clicks on silver, look, they scroll through here and they see these, but you see these down here, these are page 2, 3, 4, next. So we could say, let's create a web assistant group that houses the silver landing page here, and also the web page equals 2, page equals 3. And so what we can do is we can add, say, 25 points to the person that's browsing this website. We can add 25 points to their profile. So we could say Marketing Hub to Web Assistant, pages. We're going to choose, we're going to create a new group here. New group. It's going to be called Silver Plus. We're going to say filter criteria. Pages contains. Let's go back here. Click on. We're just getting this URL here. Page contains collections page silver 2. Collection silver page equals 2. Control C plus, and page contains page 3. This means somebody came. This means this. What we're identifying is someone that came to our website, clicked on silver collections, and now they're looking at page 2 and page 3. And let's just throw in page 4 just because we can here. So we'll do another one here. and you can choose or here. We're going to choose and pages contains. I'm going to paste this in here, and 4, and we're going to do create. And so what we could do here is we could come here under leads, products. So if we're here under view all products, so we have silver as the product. Again, we come up here under lead generation, we choose web assistant groups. We're going to choose add new web assistant group, and the group is going to be silver plus. And then we are going to adjust the lead level, and so when they just clicked on the URLs that include collection/silver, which basically means the silver homepage, we're putting them into the awareness one. But now that we know that they've clicked on, page 2, page 3, and page 4, we can put them into the engagement lead level here and associate them. And so what you can do now is you could do things like whoever gets put into this group here, this web assistant group, a notification could get sent to your sales team in CRM saying, hey, we just had this person come to our website, click on silver page 2, page 3, and page 4. And so maybe you should send them an email or pick up the phone and call them if you have their telephone address, or telephone number rather. So this is kind of what Marketing Hub products is all about. You can get very creative with these. Again, we used it with our Shopify store. You will have to add the Zoho Marketing Hub code to your Shopify store. Your Shopify website, which I'll let you Google that. But anyway, I hope this helped somebody out there conceptualize what Zoho Marketing Hub is all about and how they could potentially use it for their website.